prime my eyes, I'm going in with P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 2. Then I'm just applying this with a brush all over my eyelid. Of course, the base, the foundation of your look is how you prep your eyes. It is so important. And this primer is just like one of my absolute ride or die favorites. It's so good. You get so much product. I've used this so many times and I feel like it's still just almost full. And then I just blend this out with a brush and then use a setting powder. And this is like the perfect way to prep your eye for eyeshadow. So first I'm going in with the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette, and I'm using a Sigma E35 blending brush, and I'm going with the shade Stranger. This is like the perfect transition shade. It's cool. It almost has like a pink undertone. Next, I'm going in with the shade Corey Days on a Morphe M433 blending brush, and I am just keeping this right into the center of the crease, blending it all over. This is going to help give more definition to our crease and eyelid. This is another cool tone, medium, good transition shade, and I'm just like blending this out. The shade blends out so easy. I'm just making sure this is well blended. I am also making sure that I am blending the shade all the way up to that strip, so that way that the outer wing is really nice and defined. Next, I am going in with the color Fickle Fate with a ColourPop E16, and I'm just patting this all over the eyelid and bringing it up into the crease. This is like going to create a gradient effect in the crease where it goes lighter to darker at the lash line. And this is just like a really true brown. It's chocolate, it's rich, it's just like a cooler tone brown. And I'm just trying to create a really good foundation underneath that glitter, so I'm just packing this on. Next, I am going with the palette Born This Way by Too Faced. It's their natural Lust palette, their natural nudes palette, and I am going with the shade Golden Light with my finger. This is a very beautiful, shimmery, almost pressed glitter type of shade. This is a very warm gold shade, and I'm going to be mixing this with a cooler gold shade, and I love mixing a warm gold and a cold gold because together they just create this really great gold effect. So I'm just really patting this on, keeping this in the inner half of my eyelid. Next, I'm going in with a shade called Millions, and this is Jeffree Star's Artistry palette with Morphe, and I'm just pressing this on with my finger. This is a cool tone gold eyeshadow. It's like a pressed glitter, and it is so beautiful when mixed with a warm glitter. I'm then going to line my top lash line with Maybelline Studio Gel eyeliner in the blackest shade. This is like a true dark black, and I want this wing to be black. And then I'm going to go over it with another eyeliner by Maybelline, so that way it is just black, like the blackest I can get it. I use the strip to help keep the eyeliner in a straight line. I really have found this technique of applying eyeliner to work very well. So I'm just kind of lining along that strip. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Quirky Days on a JH40 by Morphe, and I'm just going to blend out my bottom lash line so I can really smoke out that bottom lash line. And then on a Morphe JH39, I'm going to go in with the shade Fickle Fate and then darken up that outer half of my bottom lash line, smoking it out some more. And then I'm just going to clean up my inner corner, brushing away that glitter. I don't want that glitter in my inner corner. And then on a really small brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Moonstone by Becca. It's a highlight. It's my favorite inner corner highlight. And I'm just going to help highlight the inner corner. It's like a soft highlight. It's not too gold or too silver. And then I'm going to line my bottom lash line with a black eyeliner. This is the KVD Beauty Cake pencil. And then I'm going to apply some mascara. This is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And then I'm going to apply some false lashes. These are the Ardell FauxMink in the style 854. And then I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lash line and also highlight my brow bone with that Becca highlight. So that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit the bell and subscribe.